Hello everyone. In this video, we'll cover the recursion formula for the curtailed expectation of life. The set of recursion formulas for the curtailed expectation is very similar to the set of the formula of the complete expectation. So here we skip the detailed derivation. We simply map the recursion formula for the curtailed expectation of life with the complete expectation of life. So for the curtailed expectation, the recursion formula is given by this. Ex equals Ex angle n plus npx times Ex plus n. You can see the similarity between the two formulas except for the symbols, one for Ex and one for Ex with the circle. And then when n equals 1, replace n by 1. So we have Ex angle 1 plus Px times Ex plus 1. The expression for Ex angle 1, the 1-year curtailed expectation, is simply Px, the probability that an individual can survive beyond age X plus 1, which can be factored as Px times 1 plus Ex plus 1. And then for the n-year temporary curtailed expectation, as you can expect, very similar, except for the notation E and E circle. All right, so we will go through some examples involving the curtailed expectation and the n-year temporary curtailed expectation. We will use the recursion formulas in the examples. Given that E43 is 32.68, E44 is 31.79, and E45 is 30.91, we are asked to calculate 2P43. All right, apply the recursion formula. Px times 1 plus Ex plus 1. This is Ex. And then we need to get 2P43. So we need to get P43 and P44 using the recursion formula. All right, E43 equals P43 times 1 plus E44, and we get the value E43 and E44. Then we can get P43 and then to get P44, we have E44 and E45, and we can get P44. Multiply these two numbers together, then we get 2P43. Here we get 0.9929. And then continue with this example. Suppose that as a result of a change in living conditions for a year between ages 44 to 45, the mortality probability is doubled at that age only, at age 44. And then revert back to the original survival model from age 45 and onwards. And we are asked to reevaluate to get the revised value of E44. Because there's only a change in mortality probability for one single year at age 44, then we can make use of the recursion formula. E44 equals P44 times 1 plus E45. This is what we get previously. We get P44 is 0.99623. And then the mortality probability is doubled. So doubling the Qs. So we need to get Q44, which is 0.00376. And then this mortality probability is doubled. The new mortality is 2 times Q44, which is 0.00752. and then make use of this new mortality probability, the new Q44. We get P44, the modified one is 0.9925. And then plug this back to the recursion formula. So we have the revised value of E44, which is equal to the new value of P44 times 1 plus E45. There's no change in the value of E45 because the mortality reverts back to the original survival model from H45. So E45 is still 30.91. From that, we get the revised value of E44, which is 31.67. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.